Hey, welcome to the next video. I'm going to go straight in for the kill this time. As you can see, I've got a Euro profile cylinder, and what can I tell you about it? Well, I've not opened it at all yet. It's the first thing. Secondly, it's the second to last of about 8 locks that I got from a locksmith about a month ago. The only other one after this is a GG Euro, and that's even harder than this. It's ridiculous. And maybe in a video soon that will be done. But for now, we'll try this one. So it's unbranded, and there's 6 pins chambers, but there's only 5 pins. That I can tell you for certain. I'm not going to sort of fob this off as being a oh, look at that, there she goes. Oh, I'm happy. I'm very happy. It's open. Yes, it's only a 5 pin, but there you can see. Excellent. Okay, so that's just have a look, see if you can see how high up the pins are in there. I'm really happy because that's first time. You can see the 6. Can you see those? Yeah, the 6 chambers, but there's only 5. Definitely only 5 pins. I don't know what else to say. That's just cracked for the first time on camera. Get in. Have it. Thank you for watching.